Good day, ma'am. I am Bettina Gildy de Dios and I graduated from the Labasaang Politecnico ng Lungsod ng Baliwag. And I can do a sports also, like a volleyball and a badminton. Based on my past job and OJT, based on what I experienced there, I see myself in this position. I do a research about your company and I see that you have a good and nice services and there's a lot of good feedback. I can talk the guest and the customer calm down and handle their anger. Yes, I can help the company as well as I can do. I always do to check and being informed about what happened to our industry and also to our company. Having a nice way of talking and nice good looking. Having a time management so I can do my work and finish it on time. By being a leader, so the goal is to improve customer satisfaction. I make them as inspiration so I can make our company much better than before. I try to make it objectively and use it to improve our company. By having a good communication so that we can do a collaboration from the other company. On my past job, I experienced by having a lot of customers and we can handle it immediately and the customer wanted to serve the food immediately like sabay-sabay and we can do it. So we do something to make them wait and not bored. The strategy that I use that I talk them deeply and trying to understand them the situation. And if it's not, I feel sorry for them because the situation. By having a good and nice ambience so they can pay attention. Like for example, there's a biglaang meeting and the boss is not there. So I can contact the secretary to tell the boss that there's a need meeting that need to attend. I relax myself and control my temper. My role is to grow a leadership role and having a strategic impact in our company and being a mentor to others. Anytime I can be a member, also I can be a leader. So I can make our company into a better. No, I don't have. Thank you.